All right, Trade Confident family, you guys want to learn how to make some money the fun way? We're going to scalp on the daily here. I'm going to show you guys actually how to do this. We are coming from a scalping record that I believe is the highest ever recorded on crypto. We have 225 wins and 0 losses. Everything is open to the public. Our track record is very transparent. Usually we go for about 4%, but we pull 7, pull 10%, sometimes 15% as well. And I want to take some time today to show you guys how to scalp on the 1-day time frame, and we're going to use Ethereum as an example. And I know we've got a lot of indicators here. I'm going to make this really simple. We can go into this more in another video. I just want to show you guys how to use the trades in favor and the top and bottom finder. All these indicators you guys can get in the description with our pro pack as well as the top and bottom finder. There are huge discounts. I will give them to you at the end, okay? I'm not going to sell you anything in the beginning. If you like what I show you, you can buy them at the end and I'll give you a discount. I'm going to show you guys how we time our entries. Coming from a company that has done 225 wins and 0 losses, how are we doing that? And what are we looking for in the market? And it is quite simple. What we look for, guys, is we look for trades in favor to be at an 80% chance or higher. And we kind of cheated and we ended up coding this. Hopefully you guys can see this. My face isn't too in the way. Let me go like this just so I can make sure you guys can see it. We coded this with zones. So this red zone up here, this is short trade zone. This green zone down here is long trade zone. So if the white line ever comes down into the long trade zone, you need to be looking at the charts. This doesn't matter if you guys use this on the 4-hour, the 1-hour, 2-hour, daily, weekly, it does not matter. It means there is an 80% chance or higher that the probability of the price going back up is sitting in favor of long trades, not short trades. But let me give you guys some more confluence. If you partner that up with whale money flow and actually watch when whales sell into the market, they're going to sell and they're going to eventually start buying again. And if you can see whale money flow heading out of the market at the same time that structure is moving down and you get to an 80%, as long as you guys see whale money flow heading out, which is good, and you're an 80% chance of a move back up, this is a very good place to look to dollar cost average into the market. So 2 things. You can use this dollar cost average in, or you guys can use it to scalp like we are. Now, watch this. This is going to be kind of fun. Let me replay this. This is exactly how we look for trade setups. So if I were to replay this into the future, we're going to replay it slowly so I can just play this out. We'll go like this. This is fine. I was hoping I would do it a couple candles back, but this will work. What I'm watching for is trades in favor to be in the bottom. Do you guys see right here how this has dipped into the 80 percentile? Okay. The probability of the market going up is great. Whale money flow is low, and we have TC market reversals in gray down here. Also, what I like to do is what we do on our website is we throw on support and resistance. So we'll throw on support and resistance and say, okay, are we close to any support resistance? Drop this down to a 5. We'll give a bunch of different levels here. And yes, we are. Price action is around these supports here. By the way, this is the first indicator ever coded where these support and resistance lines actually change color live. And I'll leave them on here so you guys can see this. Here's what we do. Once trades in favor is low, whale money flow is low, we're next to a support, and if we get a buy signal, that's even better. But just keep it simple, guys. Whale money flow is moving out, trades in favor is in the green section. That's it. Just follow that. What we have noticed is that if you take a take profit between 4 to 6%, and I'll just put 6% right here, and you mock this up, guys, the chance of you winning this trade is very, very consistent. And obviously I'm pulling a trade that's winning. I'll make that very clear. But watch what I'm going to do here. Your entry is this red line here. And then what we end up doing is we put buy limits into the mix. Go here, and then I'll go down. I'll do one more here. So every one of our trades, we use a minimum of 2 buy limits, okay? These buy limits protect us. If you had $1,000, what we do is we place $333 at the market order when we see this trade setup. We place $333 here and $333 here. Guys, listen to me for a second. When you place your buy limits this well structured to the downside, does it not make sense how we are winning all of our trades? This is not a secret theory. This is just simple mathematics playing out. If you place a third of your entry here, this is what we have. Based off the trades that we call, look at the percentage of this. So let me come over here to this chart. 82.67% of our trades, they never even use a buy limit. Only 14.67% have hit buy limit 1. Only 2.67% have hit buy limit 2. We've never even used the third buy limit. So this shows you guys that even with using buy limits, the indicators themselves are getting you guys into very, very good entries. Let's get back to the charts. So let's play this out. Let me go like this. Watch this. Take this, and we're going to take this off, and we're just going to play this into the future. So what happens? Well, we play this into the future here, and the price ends up dinking around and we end up hitting our take profit. Do you guys see how all these support and resistance lines are changing colors live? Green is support, red is resistance. Watch this red line right here. Watch this blows up. Watch this red line right here. It's probably going to turn green here if we see the market move past it. See how it's turning green there and then it's turning back red? Awesome indicator. The point of this, and I'll end this here, guys, is that if you're looking for a strategy that uses good risk management and you want to feel the confidence, like guys, look, we created this strategy for new retail traders because I knew hardly any retail trader would experience what it was like to win 4 or 5 trades in a row. If you've been with us, you have never lost a trade. And once you understand how good risk management works and you buy insurance on your trade with buy limits, would it not be exciting tomorrow morning to wake up with these indicators, find the setup on your chart, use buy limits, and know from a historical record, like we've been trading since over here of February 22nd of 2023, okay? It's been quite a while. This strategy just straight up works. If you compare this to the S&P 500, you guys will whoop the returns on the S&P 500. But promise me this, use buy limits. It is very, very difficult not to win if you are just using the 2 buy limits, okay? Follow me here. The top and bottom finder is in the description and it's going to link you guys to this page. The Pro Pack will give you guys these indicators. Well money flow, trades in favor, and a few other indicators we're just going to throw into the Pro Pack. Here's the deal though. If you guys become a member for $65 a month, and on top of that, we have a link in the description. We'll give you $25 off the first month as well. We are basically going to give you guys $150 off on top of the $44.99 that it normally costs for this Pro Pack. On top of that, because you bought the Pro Pack, we are going to give you guys a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder. I'm telling you guys, if you want to start winning trades consistently from a company that has a track record that has been open to the public since February of 2023, the 22nd, winning 82.67% of our trades, get these indicators, put them on your charts, and start following us. With your membership, we will also call out trade setups underneath the Trades Setup tab. Guys, this is where we call trade setups out. So not only can you get the indicators and follow along, we are going to show you guys and send you Telegram messages. Go under the Telegram, sign up on Telegram. We'll give you, here's the link right here. We are going to actually coach you guys and show you what we're entering into. Watch the charts. It doesn't matter if you guys get the indicators, one-time fee, get the membership for 1 month, watch how we trade. You can use this for as long as you guys want in cryptocurrency. The bull market's coming. If you've been looking for a way to make some consistent money over and over and over again and whoop on the S&P 500 returns, we have clearly been able to do this. So guys, I hope you're excited. The links to the indicators are in the description. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com if you need help setting anything up. But guys, we're excited. We've got 15 active trades right now in the market with these setups, and we expect to win these pretty soon going into November because we expect Q4 to be pretty bullish. Get these set up. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll help you set them up on your TradingView accounts and enjoy the profits. And always, guys, if you have any questions, let us know and go over and look at the testimonials yourself. 50 to 7% profit last week, 2K to 10K in one single month. Won the first trade, joining last week, paid for the subscription for an entire year, $4,300. Look at the testimonials yourself, guys. Everything is linked in the description. I love you guys. Let us know if you have any questions. Here's our email. Sorry to drag this out, but here's our email, btradeconfident@gmail.com. Grab the indicators, grab a membership, and let's make some money together. God bless you guys, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.